Trading tips that feels illegal to know. I know you guys are hyped up now. I want to know the tips that feel illegal to know. Well, they aren't actually illegal, but they are tips you need to know if you want to be profitable. Number one is getting a strategy. Okay, guys. So a lot of you they are literally looking for strategies. There are a lot of strategies around, break and retest, breakouts, trend lines. I literally know all those, but I use one strategy, which is supply and demand, and it's literally the easiest out there. One, you have to make sure you have a strategy, and you have to make sure your strategy is easy, not complex, and simple to use. Okay, it's simple, it doesn't have too much confluence, and you can literally just trade immediately. And basically, yeah, supply and demand is one strategy that you can trade. It requires patience, but it has a high win rate, and also it's a good strategy for a beginner to learn with. So number one is having a strategy. Number two is risk management. Guys, risk management, you have to manage your risk well. For me, I risk 0.5 to 1% per trade, and because I trade pro firms, if I'm in drawdown, I risk 0.5%. If I'm up like in percent, if I'm up in profit, I risk 1% per trade. The profit I use Esper Funded. Click the link in my bio to sign up with them. So yeah, why do you need to manage your risk? Because then if you actually don't manage your risks, you're not going to be profitable. Number three is risk to reward. You need a good risk to reward, guys. A lot of you just open trades and then when it's in profit you close immediately. Like, you need to hold your trades for a specific risk to reward. And there's 1 to 1, there's 1 to 2, and 1 to 3. 1 to 1, 2, and 3. But for me, I go with a fixed risk to reward, which is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending on the market condition. I go with a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So yeah, but I don't advise going for a 1 to 1. Anything less than 1 to 2 is considered not good. Okay, so if you trade 1 to 1, then it's going to be hard to actually be profitable with a 1 to 1, except you have a very high win strategy. And as a beginner, you will not really have high win rates at the beginning, so you need to start off with a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 if you want to get to that profitability state. So you actually need to focus on your risk management and risk to reward. Number four is capital, and this is where profit comes in. For you to actually hit that profitability and successful rate of a trader, you need capital. Well, Express Funded, the profit I use, they've got you can get funded up to to $300,000 for literally with a small amount. So currently now you can get a $5,000 account for $50 and a $10,000 account for $100. You can click the link in my bio to sign up with them, and they have 12% maximum drawdown, which means you will literally, if you're trading a $10,000 account, you need to lose $1,200 to literally lose the account, which is crazy. If you're risking 1% per trade, you need to lose 12 trades in a row, which is kind of impossible because you can't really lose 12 trades in a row. Oh yeah, you can't actually do that. So if you lose 12 trades in a row, then there's something wrong. But then you can't actually lose 12 trades in a row, which means it's going to be very hard to blow your account. And if you're someone like me who trades 1 to 2, 1 to 3 weeks to reward, if you win one trade, it literally secures you 3 losses or 2 losses, and it's going to be hard to blow the account. So click the link in my bio to sign up with them, and I hope these tips help you. And yeah, so follow for more if you want more tips, and also if you want more trading content. See you guys in the next video.